my name is Isman. My matrix number is 07DM20F1023.
Hello, my name is Amirul. My metric number is 07DEM20F1025.
Hi, my name is Mrs. John, matrix number 07 EAM 20F1015.
Hi, my name is Ahmad Tarmizi Nasiri. My metric number is 07TEM20F1013.
Computer Aided Design (CAD) refer to computer being used to assist the design process in all sorts of industry. With CAD software, it's possible to build an entire model in an imaginary space, letting you visualize property like height, width, distance, material, or color before the model is used for a particular application. We use the application of Inventor. What is Inventor? Autodesk Inventor is specifically helpful for product design, tooling creation, mechanical design, and product simulation. This software enables users to construct the accurate 3D models to aid in simulation and visualization before building product. Move to drawing part. Base. The base of the washing machine is a front design that can attract the attention of user and as the cover for the washing machine. The length width of the washing machine is 595 cm and 065 cm. Soap base. Soap base is the place where to put the soap dispenser, and height for the soap dispenser is 191.71 cm and the width is 10 cm. Soap dispenser. Soap dispenser is a compartment where to put the liquid detergent, softener, and soap powder. When water fills the compartment and rains above the hole in the column, the liquid-filled water mixed with the softener or bleach from the compartment will then seep on through the hole and into the washer through the housing and the hose from the dispenser to the tub. The length of the soap dispenser is 170 cm. Next, I will pass to my team members, Amirul.
For water output, the diameter in the small holes is 50,000 in mm, and the back diameter is 60,000, and it have a 200,000 length if it's combined. It have the same holes which is 40 diameter, and it is the function all the dirty water from your washing is expelled from the machine via the drain pipe. Okay, for water input, the small part I call in front and the big I call back part. Okay. For the holes, the diameter of in front part is 30 diameter, and the the length is 100,000, and for the back is 40 diameter and the length is still 100. um it 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 still have the same holes, which is 2000 diameter. Okay, for the function of water input, this is located near the water inlet point, which is open and closed automatically when you load the clothes depending on how much water is required. Okay, for small fan, I will tell about the dimension first. The diameter of this fan is 50,000 in mm, and the back of the fan is 10,000 in 10,000. Okay, for big fan, the diameter is 250,000 and the thick is 30,000. Have four holes on the big fan to put the small fan. For the function in the locket, this is located inside the tube of the washing machine and help perform the cleaning of the clothes. Most fully automatic washing machine have this pedal on the rotating inner drum, which is controlled by a rotating disc. These are designed to move the cloth around during the wash to allow the detergent to work and remove the particle and soiling from your clothes, helping the clothes rub together while washing. Thank you.
For the function of the glass allow the user to see through it and watch clothes being washed while the washing machine is doing their washing work. For the diameter is 290 and the thickness is 200, the curve radius is 10 and the overall size is 290 and all is in unit. For the next part is drum. The function is the one you see where the clothes are loaded is the inner drum, which move around the washing machine and is perforated with holes to allow the water in and out. For the inner diameter is 250 mm, outer diameter is 300 mm, and the length is 409 mm, and for the thickness is 50 mm. Next is a cap. A cap is a door-like cover that can be opened and closed after inserting clothes. For the inner diameter is 240 mm and the middle diameter is 290 mm. For the outer diameter is 300 mm. For the handle puller outer size is 80 mm and for the inner is 50 mm. Next is front bumper. Apart from displaying a nice design, it is also to display design differences in our product. For the upper left dimension is 86.90 mm. For the side is 164.40 and the radius 87.48 mm. For the semicircle radius is 212.43 mm. For the thickness is 10 mm and for the overall length is 590 mm. Next is switch panel. Switch panel, also known as control panel, to control or command the washing machine to perform a task. For the length is 64.80 mm and the height is 25 mm and for the width is 44.43 mm. For the size button, the height is 5 mm and the length is 13.67 mm. The distance between button to another button is 8.15 for vertical and 6.33 for horizontal. Next is analog pointer. The function of analog pointer is a marker for the user to set the dryer time. The length is 64.91 mm. For the height is 6 mm and for the width is 16.49 mm. For the pointer is 9.64 mm. For the last of my part is display glass. Display glass is a display of information about the washing process in the washing machine. For the thickness is 25 mm and for the length is 106.45 mm. For the height is 28.70 mm.
Top cover. The function is help loading and unloading of cloth in the round vessel. The length of the top cover is 624 times 610 and the height is 35. Bottom cover. The function is prevent dust from entering the main drain that remove water. The length of the bottom cover is 613 and the width is 605. Cover button front. The function is to protect the panel button and to make a washing machine more interesting. The length of the front button cover is 595 and height is 198, while the whole muzzle is 75 in diameter. Assembly is one of the steps to combine all parts that have been made to become a complete design. For example, top cover, bottom cover, and so on to make it a washing machine. There are 17 parts that have been made to produce a washing machine. Exploded. The function of the exploded is to separate the components that have been combined to see results that had been made, such as the button washer and so on. In addition, it can make it easy for maker or designer to see the result of the design they are making.
In conclusion, Autodesk Inventor was a lot of power. Though the software might have some limitation, just as every other thing man does do. But the greatest limitation is in the user of the software. So maximize the potential in Autodesk Inventor and change your world.